Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will discuss the correlation for the group data. If a bivariate table is given, it means x and y both are given, but along with this, one more thing is given, that is frequency. Then, how can we deal with it? This is the problem of today's lecture. Reference is page 411 of the book. Data is given in such a way that one variable is measured horizontally and other variable is measured vertically. And in the body of the table, frequencies are given. So the shape of the data or the format of the data is in such type. Okay, these two variables are the required variables among which the relationship is going to be studied. And frequencies are also given along with this data. This scatter plot, you can see these are the alphabets A, B, C, D up to J. X and Y are the variables given in the pairs. And you can see from this scatter plot that all the data set are given one time. So one dot is plotted in the scatter plot. First one A 973. So you can see this cross sign shows that it's a single observation. So frequency actually is 1. In this table, all values are repeated single time. That's why there is no need to put this column here. So usually if x and y are given and no frequency is given, it means for the single frequency scatter plot is like this. But when one more column is given, then the expression is calculated as this one. Usual formula of correlation, it's a summation xy minus summation x into summation y over n, and so on. But in this formula, you can observe one thing is appended, that is frequency. Here, f is introduced, f is also introduced along with x and y. In the denominator, x square and f is also there. F, F, F. So in the calculation, we have to compute all these columns and rows in which frequency is multiplied by xy, x square, y square, and y. Okay, and then take the summation of all these rows and columns. And previously in this formula n, now n is replaced by summation f in this formula. So actually this is n. All these three values are n. So it's easy to learn this formula because it's computed from the previous one. Only f is appended in the formula and summation f is replaced.